This is what 99% of the aspiring freelancers do. Learn a skill, sign up in some platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and stressed out for not getting clients. See, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are very saturated. They prefer review-based hiring instead of skill-based hiring. So if you are just starting out in freelancing and feeling overwhelmed by seeing these platforms, this is the exact video you need to watch. So in this video, we will talk about how to get your first freelance client without using any of these freelance platforms. So before we dive into the video, hit that subscribe button to get more content like this. So I've divided this video into 3 simple steps. Before I say what step 1 is, I'm assuming that you have a good knowledge about a particular skill. So the first step you have to do is curate content. What I mean by curating content is gathering the best content on the internet and start adding your perspective to it. For example, if you are a product designer, gather the best resources used by the industry and share it on your socials. And content curation helps you to position yourself as a knowledgeable source in your industry. If you consistently curate content on any social media platform, you will build some decent amount of audience. After building some decent amount of audience, the next thing you have to do is create content. Creating content is all about showcasing your unique skills and projects you're doing. For example, create some tips and tricks on how to create a eye-engaging YouTube thumbnail as a graphic designer. In this step, you'll start attracting potential clients as your followers. After creating some valuable content, start recreating some published work on the internet. For example, if you are a video editor and let's say you want to work with some best YouTubers in India. To stand out, you need to see the potential improvements in their video and start re-editing it and upload it on your socials and tag them. If they see you're adding value to their video, they'll definitely hire you. This particular method applies to every single industry. So if you follow these 3 steps correctly, you will be flooded with client requests daily in your DMs. So with that being said, we have reached the end of this short video. I hope you found something valuable in this short video. Hit that subscribe button to get more content like this and see you in the next one.